Good on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble this lock cylinder for Toyota Lexus. This is for a 03 RX330, and the issue this one's having is the keys getting stuck and not getting stuck on the way out. Thing on these, do not take this off. It was holding that pin, but I took it off, so now I don't know what this does, so it doesn't need to be taken off, so don't mess with that. Should have another little box up here and a sensor. Those off, so be careful with this one. This one just slides out. Careful not to break the tab on this one. So this part just slides in. See, it has that little switch, and it just slides in this way. To take it out, you got to take the lock cylinder out. Push this button from the inside and then it slides out. It should slide out real easy. Then the ignition switch goes back there. But yeah, we're gonna take this apart and show you how it works. I haven't got to this part. I don't know how to disassemble that, but I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this part. There's the lock cylinder, and the key gets stuck. See? Without. So you have to turn it to the ACC. Push this button down. And it should come out like that. So there's no resistance in this lock cylinder. So the problem is in this here. So the way you take this inside part is, you grab it with the needle nose, and you're going to push in and twist. So this thing is what makes a lock, see? And this is just, let's see, this comes out, see? Push that down. So that's why it's not coming in all the way. So it's either worn here, or maybe it's worn in here. But now I know that how to unlock it. I'm just going to install it back in. And so let's put it back in. As you can see there, little notch, and then this little notch. It's going to go in there. You're going to push in and twist to the clockwise. So see, it's locked. So be facing up. Throw this one back on there. It's in there, see? Bam. So there you go. Alright, so I got the ignition assembly installed back in the vehicle. Let's test it out. So yep, now it's moving in and out real easy. And hit the like button if this video helped you out, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.